In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create an AI avatar twin. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the AI avatar twins all over Facebook, all over social media, TikTok, YouTube, and you're wondering, how can I create my own AI avatar twin? Well, I'm going to show you that today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to, and let me go to my Google browser. So you're going to head over to Google Gemini.com, or you can do Google Gemini, hit enter, and then here it is. And then you're going to go ahead, once you click on it, and I'm already in it. So hold on, let me go to an incognito window. So Google Gemini, there it is. So Google Gemini, you go ahead and click on it, and you just sign in using your Gmail account. But if you don't have a Gmail account, you can sign in with a regular email account. So let me go ahead and X out of this. All right. And I don't know what, this is something new, but once you log in to Google Gemini, this is the screen that you will see. This is where all the magic happens. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you want to make sure you're on Gemini 2.5 Flash. That's the default version, so you should already be there. All right, so next, where it says Tools, you want to click right here, and then you want to click Create Images. So that's the first step. The next step is you want to click this plus sign, and right here where it says upload files, if it's on your computer, you can click here. If it's on a Google Drive, you can click here, but I'm going to click right here. It says upload files, and I'm going to upload what's on my computer. And let me see if I have any files in here. I have already created I have several avatar twins. Let me see if I can find, I know I got a picture of myself in here. Let's see. But the first thing you want to do is find a picture of yourself. And I know I have one. Let me just look through here. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and pick someone so I can speed up this video. Okay. So this is me. I'm just going to click on it. So I'm uploading a picture of me. So you want to upload a picture of yourself. That's how you're going to create your AI avatar twin. All right. And I'm going to give you guys a prompt. So I'm going to go to my group and go to the prompt vote. Here it is. And let's pick out a prompt. Okay. So. Let's see. So let's do an avatar business prompt. And I'm just going to go ahead and click something just so the video won't take too long. So I'm going to click and paste. All right. So I'm going to read through it because I want to make sure that this prompt is to my liking. And if it's anything in there that doesn't describe me, then I want to go ahead and edit that. All right, so before I do anything with this prompt, I'm going to click right here in front of it, and I'm going to type using the reference, the uploaded reference photo, change theme 2. All right. So I'm gonna read this I'm gonna put to a tech boss. She stands confidently against a skyscraper window. All right. So I'm gonna read through here. So it says she has a puff bun. I have dreadlocks. I wanted to use my reference image. I wanted to use those details, so I'm gonna get rid of that. So let's see. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and click submit and see what we get. So pretty much what you want to do is you just want to skim through the prompt and make sure everything is to your liking. Once everything is to your liking, then you go ahead and hit submit and let's see what we get. Oh, all right now. So this is what we got. It does look like me. And this is how you would create an AI avatar twin. So next we'll go ahead and grab a birthday prompt. Okay, so I'm a Leo. I did that one already. I'm gonna do a different prompt. Okay, I'm just gonna click this. I'm gonna get this one. And then I give you guys this prompt as well. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it. So this says a caramel tone slim woman with platinum ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. And I'm gonna type using the same reference photo, change the theme to she stands, okay, in luxury living room style with balloons, all of that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit and let's see what we get. And this is beautiful. So guys, I mean, you can use this to, instance, if you want some photos for your website, you want some photos for like your social media pages, you can use this just, for whatever information you need it for. You can also use it to show your clients like what you can do, and you can provide photo shoot services for them. Just get their face, whatever theme they want. You can go ahead and create them a theme and you can sell it as a package. So a photography package. So it's a lot that you can do with this. So we'll do one more. Let's see, what other prompts do I have? Okay, let's do travel. Okay, let's do Dubai. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this. And I'm going to look at the prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy just my little intro prompt right here because I want to make sure it keeps my image consistent. I want the character to look like me. So let me see what this says. A fitted orange t-shirt with distress So I'm going to dress her down, oversized. Let me take this out. Okay, she is standing on a rooftop terrace at sunlight. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, submit, and let's see what we get. All right. And guys, I love it. So guys, this is just an intro to show you how to create your own AI avatar twin. And these are the pictures we got. I go ahead and download them so I can show you a bigger image. So, and that looks like me. So now, like if I want to put something together like for a class, then I have photos. Hold on, let me go to my downloads. And look at that. Look just like me. So yes, guys, this is how you would create your own avatar twin. And I put my business name on there for branding, marketing. That's the name of my brand, Too Sweet Design. So it's a lot that you can do with AI. Like I said, you can also sell this as a service to potential customers if they need photographs for their website, or just for anything, any business purposes or personal purposes, and they don't want to spend a lot of money to go to a photographer, then here it is. You can sell this as a service to your customers. All right. So if you want to learn more about how to create an AI avatar twin, then join my AI avatar mastery community. In this community, we show you how to create your own AI avatars. All right. We show you how to do content. All right. So we show you a lot. We show you how to change your avatars outfits. So we show you a lot in the AI mastery community. And this is what it's about. Let me go to. All right. So let me click on. This is my spokesperson avatar. Okay. So that's the avatar twin that I created. So here we show you how to create an AI avatar. We show you how to do a 3D, a realistic, and a spokesperson to represent your brand. We show you how to create content, faceless content. We also show you how to create your own music. So you can create music with AI avatars. We show you how to monetize it and package it so you can sell to other customers. And we're also a supportive community. So you'll get all this for $5 a month. And I will leave the link. But this is how you would create an AI avatar. We have different classes. We show you how to create a realistic, how to create a Pixar. All right. We show you how to create using Clean. and it's also a prompt vote. We give you 20 ways on how to monetize. We have a content prompt vote. All right. And let's see. And then we did do a 3-day AI avatar workshop. We have replays, and then you also get access to custom GPTs I built. So guys, if this is something you're interested in, comment avatar and I will shoot you the details. I'll see you in the next video.